pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
A few different things today to see about the lighting here in my room, because it is different filming in here, so I need some feedback. So we're gonna be using some new makeup today. I did get a bunch of stuff at Ulta, and like you spend like $180 and you get like 5 things, and you're like, is this really a haul? You know, but it is because of the amount of money that you spend. I did pick up a different shade of Jacqueline's blush and bronze duo. This one here is the Warm Flush and the Golden Goddess, and I've been wanting this, and it finally was back in stock, so I got it. And I'm gonna go ahead, and I've done most of my face already, but I'm gonna go in with this blush. I've been dying to try this, and I'm using my new brushes from Blinged Brushes. Ooh, that is a super pretty and very pigmented blush. I did make some lighting and some other changes, so hopefully this video will be better. I don't look washed out, but we'll see. I mean, with all this pigment, I should not look washed out. Okay, so I'm going to use this bronzer today, and with the contour brush, because it's new, I got to try it. Ooh, I love her powders. I feel like they make my skin look so much better. We are definitely going to dive into that Zendo palette. I told you guys we're doing it. And I got a bunch of Jacqueline's lippies too, because I bought 4 of the last time. 4 of the whatever was left because I forgot about the launch, and they looked awful on me. I mean, I tried. I really tried to get them. They just weren't my shades. So I spent $80 on that, and I didn't even get to try her lip liners. And I bought 1 lip liner and 4 new shades. So we're definitely going to try them out today. And like I said, I'm super excited to do that. And I got 1 lip liner, so we'll see. I don't know there. But we'll go ahead and do that at the end. And I've been thinking about what kind of shirt to wear too. I want something cute. So here is the Zendo palette. I did use it in my Blinged Brushes video, but I said I would do a separate video on this because I really wanted to give the palette a review. And you guys know me. You know me. If you want me to review it, I'm going to review it. I'm going to be using a multiple different sets of brushes today. I really wanted to dive into the green kind of bluish colors in here. So let's do it. We've got Breath, which looks like a nice different kind of light green. The one thing I am noticing about this palette is that the pans are loose. And that doesn't really bother me. As long as they don't fall out, I'm fine with it. But, okay, that's a really pretty color. Yeah, I'm liking that. Not bad. I feel like I say that a lot. Do I say that a lot? Not bad. I hope that you guys are able to see me. Let me check my video. Okay, so I've opened the door a bit. I want to see if the sound is going to be a little bit better. I think that when I close the door, that could be the problem. So, guys, I need your feedback. I need you. I also got some mail I can't wait to share with you guys. It's from my BFF. And, you know, I'm not a real emotional person, but once in a while, I have to remind myself that it's okay to feel things and to share it with you guys. I like keep so much private that sometimes I think it's not good for me. Okay, what do we got? The eye brushes. Actually, I don't want that one. So you guys might have to remind me from time to time and ask me things. But I really do keep a lot of myself off camera, a lot of the important things. All right, Mantra is a really pretty green. Like, these are, I really thought these were going to be similar to the greens and blues in the Circo Loco palette, but they're not. They're definitely different. Look at that pigment. Wow. Okay. Wow. Hi. And I'm using a complex culture brush. Oh my goodness. I need to build this up. Because separation and pigment and all that. So let me... Wow, guys. Look at this pigment. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm super excited. I like this color. Pretty amazing. I'm going to take Mantra, whatever it is, on this Madison Beer brush. And I'm going to put it right here. Ooh, I'm just really liking this color. Now I'm thinking about gel liner on the waterline, the lower waterline. I'm like, do I want black or do I want to go green? I just don't get very often the opportunity to use green. So I'm like, maybe we should try that. I know it looks kind of funky right now, but it's because it's not done yet. Okay, so now real quick. Ow. It's okay. It doesn't have enough pigment though. So I want to get... Okay, I had to change my shirt. I usually use, when I'm putting on foundation and stuff, big t-shirts because sometimes I get makeup everywhere. And it just happens. I mean, it's just a thing. And I'm like, oh, you know what? Don't wear something cute. So tank top should be a little bit better for now. Alright, so I have got a green and a black gel liner, and I think this one is going to be, I think it's going to be too much green. I don't know. But I love these because they're a little bit thicker and they glide on and they're full of pigment. But at the same time, like, I want the smokiness, so I'm like, okay, I'm going to put some black in here. I just got to. Yeah. See, that's so worth it. Okay. All right. So now we've got Flow and Equilibrium. Interesting names to use. See, I even did my hair. I don't usually do my hair till the end, you know? But it's like, I don't want to look like roughed up in my video, you know? Okay. So, I think we'll go in with this Luxie brush, and I think we're going to use some setting spray. Let me try that color first. Let's go in with Flow and see what she look like without setting spray. I got to be so careful now, too. I have a white vanity, so I don't want to get, like, makeup everywhere. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, very pretty. All right, let's use some setting spray now. What is up with this setting spray? Something is weird. Oh, man. It looks like it was lotion at the spout coming out. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this brush to do this. I may need to switch brushes. I'm trying not to bring every brush I own into my bedroom. I'm trying just the ones that I really, really use. I gotta tap it off. Ooh, there we go. Look, look, look. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Really pretty color. Okay, so this palette was $65 and it's the same size as the Glam palette. The Circo Loco is like 2 times the size. That's why that one was like 100 and something. Equilibrium I'm going to put on the other side of this brush, and we're going to put that on the outer part of the lid. Right here. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love a dark eye. Yes. Oh, I love, I love, I love. And that's without setting spray. I do have some fallout though. But I'm loving this. So now I've used this palette. This is my second time and I really wanted these colors. Thought you guys would appreciate me using these in my review video. I think that Natasha Denona's shadows are worth it. I don't think I've used a palette of hers that I didn't like, at least not yet. I did hear from some people that I respected that they didn't like the Metropolis palette. I mean, that one was huge. It had a lot of colors in there and it was expensive. But other than that, I have not tried that palette, so I can't comment on that. I'm loving these colors together. They complement each other so well. Ooh. I need to do some blending now. I'm going to go with my Jaclyn Master blending brush. And we're just going to flick and blend from the back here. And I'm going to throw some eyeliner on. And we're going to smoke out the bottom and fix the fallout. So I'm going to use some of Jaclyn's Beaming Light highlight in Extra. And I'm going to go in with my E7 brush from Blinged Brushes. And we're basically just going to pop some right up here. Do not forget to tap off. Otherwise, you will end up with fallout and a whole lot of highlight. Put some on the inner corner. There we are. Ooh, that is super pretty. I love. Okay. Alright, so now I am going to go in with this Madison Beer brush again and kind of just blend all of this together. And we're ready for some mascara. I've got a couple different mascaras I've been using lately. I have been using Jeffree's for the lower lashes. In between doing the stuff that I'm doing, like putting on my lashes, I'm watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians in the behind me. And it's funny because I watch that because I don't really watch TV, and I figure if there's anything going on in the world, scandals, whatever, I mean, not that I really care too much about that stuff, but they're gonna let me know. You know? So I get the best of both worlds there. Of both worlds. Okay, so I'm thinking that I like this palette, but I could have gotten this look from the Urban Decay Wild West palette with just the two green colors in here. I remember using this palette and loving it, and I think I used it maybe 3 or 4 times at the most, and I got a similar look. So I didn't have to go out and get the Natasha Denona palette just for the blues and the greens, whatever you want to call them, bluish greens. Even though there's 4 in here, it's still, you know, very, very similar to the look I've gotten in the past. Now the corals in here and like the peach, I will be excited to try that out. So it's up to you. If you got the Urban Decay Wild West, there are some similar colors in here, I'm going to be honest, that maybe you want to try those before you go ahead and spend the $65. I believe the Naked one was $45, I think. Alright, so now we've got some lip products to try. Overall, I would recommend the Zendo palette if you don't have those colors already in other palettes, just so you know. Okay, so I've got one lip liner because that was all I think Ulta had left. I had to order it online too because my Ulta does not carry these things. Alright, and I have not tried her lip liners yet. This one here, what is it? Feisty? Toasty. Toasty. Okay, so we're going to try this out. Okay. It's pretty creamy. All right, let's look at the colors I've got now. They're so different on the screen than when you got them, and then in person it's different. It's just very different. I got Gratitude. I got Be Brave. I do like the lip liner. Some people said they were like average lip liners. I don't think so. I'm picky with my lip liners. I love Gerard lip liners. They're amazing. Okay, what else? What is this? Crabby. Ooh, this is pretty, but I don't know if that will look right on me or not. I don't know. Now, if you're going to be trying on multiple colors, it's always helpful to have a lip scrub handy. And especially with these, if I remember correctly, they like took forever to get off my lips. And this last one here is Feisty. So, and that was what the lip liner was Toasty. So we've got, this one might be the best. I feel like this one or this one. I'm not feeling the other ones with this eye look, but we will go ahead and swatch those. Let me try out, what is this? Gratitude. See, I feel like my hair is messed up now. I have to re-straighten it. It's like getting it. Okay. Oh, these are really liquidy and they took forever to dry. So, I'm preparing myself. It smells good. Ooh, that's not bad. It feels creamy. It works with this liner. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let's try the other one over top of it. And this is Feisty. Ooh, whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay. My. I do like it. I need it to dry down. I think I need a gloss though. Now these ones feel pretty good. It's drying down faster than what the other ones did. I had to like wait forever. So, ooh, what do you guys think? Do you like? Now let's swatch the other ones. Crabby. Ooh, that one is pretty. I think on darker skin tone. Ooh, yeah. And then this is Be Brave. Ooh, I like these. Look. Guys, I can't put my hand towards the camera because it actually makes it blurrier instead of focusing. So that's why I hold my hand back here and try to like do a zoom from the software. So I'll try to get that. These are really pretty. I don't know if they look good on my lips, but I'm liking it. Okay, so let me